Well, not that one, but there was another one that like came up on the grassy area and we were up on this little bench. I'm like, okay, I'm leaving now. I know. And there's vultures here and there's a really beautiful bird and it's all these cool things. It's just a very little small walking. It's really neat.